God damn it, dude. I didn't even see this guy. This guy's right in the middle of the open, between all the warehouses. Oh, man. I'm just not finishing. Ladies and gentlemen, I gotta fucking end the, I've got to end the broadcast right now. Someone shot at our house, broke the fucking upstairs window. This is the second shot. Someone shot yesterday at our fucking house. And someone shot again right now and connected with the house upstairs, right? You're driving by, right? You pussy. I gotta stop the stream.